Hudson's supposed to be taking a nap. What you doing, Hud? What are you doing? Are you supposed to be taking a nap? Are you supposed to be taking a nap? What are you doing? Are you gonna take a nap from Mama? Yeah? Are you gonna take a nap? The striped band around his waist was his swaddle. However, the Hud has decided he doesn't need to be swaddled. But if he's not swaddled, this is what he's doing. Right, Hud? Right? You're gonna take a nap now, right? Is that your mobile? Okay, good night, Hudson.